If you can't describe what you're doing as a process, then you don't know what you're doing. And for me, a lot of schools, honestly, not to be too critical, don't know what they're doing. We have a 5Ds model: define learning, design learning, diversify learning, deliver learning, demonstrate learning. Learning is the extension and consolidation of conceptual understanding, competency, and character. And all the schools we work with just call it the 3 Cs. Now that's easy enough to teach to every student. We have very simple sentence stems for all of our standards. For conceptual understanding, learners understand that, leading to competency, therefore learners are able to, leading to learners become more. That would be one example of a systemic approach, one common learning language. Because we like simplicity for bureaucratic reasons, what we've ended up with is low-level, high-stakes testing. That's another source of student anxiety. So we're trying to balance out assessment for sorting learners and balance it with assessment for improving learning. Because if you want kids to be able to apply what they're learning, then it's pretty hard to put that on a multiple choice test. Technology will never tell us where to go, but when we know where to go, it will get us there faster. I think technology is a massive boon to teachers. What technology is doing is stripping away the bureaucracy to let us become human, to let us be artistic and creative. The less bureaucracy, the better for me, which is why your work is important. Strip away the busy work from teachers and kids and let's create space for good relationships and deep learning that's worth learning.